Alright, so I just put her back together. New upper intake manifold gasket, new valve cover gasket, new oil cooler, new crack pipe and thermostat, new hoses, new radiator. I feel like I'm missing a few more things. But yeah, she's put it back together, just finished up. Before I put the front end on, checking for leaks. So far nothing. Top her off with distilled water and G13. That's what I got from the dealership. So I'm gonna try and turn her on. Oh, and then clean the injectors too, and see how that goes. All right, let's check it out. Battery still has juice. I just put it together. Hopefully nothing explodes. Okay. Whew. Let's go. Let me prime the pump actually. Fuel pump a couple times. Because I did take out the fuel lines. So that's the prime. I'll do it 5 times. Three. 4. One more. And 5. Let's go. Okay. Oh, and I did the secondary air pump delete. Sounds terrible. It's on. I'm gonna let it give it some time to even out. Okay. No leaks here. Looking down the crack pipe, nothing there. That's good. No leaks from the hoses. Sounds like it's misfiring. Nothing dripping. All right, I'm gonna give it a few and I'll check back.